So hey guys, if you got a truck with a tonneau cover, what do you do when this doesn't stick no more? Well, anyway, I got a cool fix. It's a real quick kit. Hang around, I'll show you how to install it. Hey guys, about 22 years ago, I purchased this truck new. It's the only new vehicle I've ever had in my life. And when I got it, I purchased an excess cover to go on it. This is all the original frame, but over the years this finally wore out, so I got a new cover for it. And I can't get the Velcro to stick down on the sides. And that's a very common problem. A lot of these old Velcro hoop loops, they wear out. You can see how faded mine is. So anyway, I've seen some different videos on this, but Access has really got a cool way they do this. This is not Velcroed onto the frame, the metal part. It's actually onto a piece of plastic that's on a track, and this thing slides out. So it makes the replacement pretty easy. So on this kit, it has two screws. They say the one up front is optional. This one had the one up front. I've already taken that out, and then I'm taking the one out here on the back. And get this out. All right, and it's just a very small screw. And then after that, this thing should slide out on its own. Might have to give it a little bit of elbow grease to make it slide. They said in the instructions, just force it. All right, this is the kit that you get in. I bought this from eTrailer.com. No affiliation, this was just went online and got this. It comes with the screws that you need, and comes with more footage than you need. And as you can see, it just has a plastic backing on it. So they tell you to unspool it and go right in half, or go right to the middle. So cut it into two pieces, splitting it in half. And then you just slide the new piece on. Okay, as you can see, I've just slid it in the track and go all the way down to the end to where it's even here. We're going to come back in this part right here. We're going to cut, and we're going to do the same thing down here. Before I do anything though, I'm going to put the screw back in it and lock it in. All right, once you get the screw put in, then it's just a matter of trimming. And then you do a second cut. That is it. Then you do the same thing up on the front. I'm going to do that real quick. All right, and that is all it is to it. Boy, that looks so much nicer. And of course, now the Velcro straps hold. Can't wait to get the other side done. So now, one side down, one more over here to go. This is what the screws look like. They're very small. They're self-tappers. And make sure the new track slides in nice and easy, especially on this bottom one, because it does have gunk in it. You can fill it with a brush. use one of our new self-tappers. Doesn't have to go into the same hole. In fact, they say on the instructions you can move up just a little bit. There you go. And then the last real quick thing is we trim the end. We'll move the camera over here so I can get a better angle on it and you guys will be able to see too. All right, and then you do your angle cut here. All right, and then I'll go do the same thing on the other end. Okay guys, I'll throw in here a little bit of B-roll to show you what these old look like, but I can show you here on the ground, you can see how bad and wore out the old hoops were, and then look how nice the new ones look. So now the big test comes in. Let me pull this all up nice and tight. And of course, the big thing we want to see. Oh yeah, now we talking. Oh man, do I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna get two hands so I can pull this side over. Oops. Really nice. Oh yeah, that hasn't done that in a long time. Man, I'm tickled. That was, I think, $34 for that kit. And tell me it won't worth it. Yes, I'm excited. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. You never know what kind of projects you're gonna see on the channel. I hope you like the variety. If you do, let me know in the comment section. So guys, you know the old saying, there's always one more. So definitely keep your eyes out for new uploads coming. And for now, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.